Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and we are camping. We're the first car, one of two convoys. We're spending the weekend in Chilliwack. It'll be a fun little weekend. Let's get set up.
Ooh. Shoot!
Oh, watch the other one back there. Oh. This is going well. This is going well.
Ready to see me juggle?
Yeah. Good thing we're eating those tonight. Oh my gosh! You got it. I know how to do it, but it's just like too many things going on.
All right, Johnny, come on. We're waiting for you to cook dinner.
Okay.
Get a move on.
I'm getting there.
Today we are doing the taco bowl. Based on our last kayaking trip, we have perfected the recipe by not forgetting any of the ingredients. I think we have everything. I got the spatula, I got the pan.
Did you bring the taco meat?
No, I didn't bring it.
No, of course.
We did though.
Alright, so there's rice, tomatoes, cucumbers, beans, corn, lime, and avocado. So, oh, and there's ground beef. And there's sauce. The ground beef's all the way over there. I gotta go grab it before we forget. Dig in.
Riley's been talking about this.
I have been talking
week.
ever since Ethan introduced me to the world of this new drug. I love it. So when we were at Elephant Lakes, Ethan popped out some new snacks on us from Walmart, and there's these Twizzlers that are like creamsicle flavor. Do you like creamsicles?
No, I don't like creamsicles. Okay, let me have a little bite. Yeah.
What the heck? Do you like grape?
Grape Pop-Tarts?
Grape Pop
Yo, we're just trying new things.
For you, Sam.
What?
You gotta try these.
Okay.
Alright, anyways, back to the regular scheduled activities.
They do taste like creamsicles.
Sophie's face.
It's quality.
I want some of the. Those ones you would like better, probably. Yeah.
Ethan said
That was terrible.
That's rude. I think he looks rather cute.
I think this is not his best look.
He's like going fishing.
Ethan over it.
It's the ears. It's the ears with the curls combination.
Amazing.
Looks great.
That's why I married him.
The
Couldn't
curls.
resist that.
So you're saying Ethan has bad taste?
I do think it's not necessarily anyone's best look to have this kind of look.
Have you seen
To be fair. I have, it's worse.
What?
It has a neck flap.
It's functional.
worse.
You
She
should
is
see
on
when
fire.
it flaps in the wind.
It's like
Great.
it's like a fake mullet.
Like I said, I don't claim to look pretty. It's functional. It has protected me for many, many years. Who wants to go for a swim? I brought my swim trunks this time. What do you mean? This is fine. Nothing bad could happen here.
I am definitely not safe enough for this kind of a current.
This is just lazy river territory. Look at that. Random berry eating time.
Andy says those are called thimbleberries. I'm pretty sure.
Kill you in one bite berries.
We'll see.
Nice flowers, bro.
Thank you. It's gonna be decoration for our picnic table.
Bear bait.
Yeah.
Ethan's got his hammock set up here. Boom.
Would you join me?
I just came with you.
Can it hold the weight of two?
No
I
bueno.
think 1 1/2.
Oh my gosh. I don't, maybe not the
The
tree.
tree I'm not so worried
Whoa!
about. Lewis is running away.
We might bottom out.
Yeah, what's the weight limit on it?
I have no clue.
There's no weight limit. Unlimited.
Unlimited weight.
Unlimited weight. It's good stuff. Made in Germany. Like this, I guess. Whoa. Whoa.
Lewis, skip rope.
These two aggravate each other so much. Welcome to our house for the night, our accommodations, courtesy of Sophie's 8-person tent. We managed to fit 6 people in here with all our sleeping pads and also our things, our bags and boxes, and it's a great fit. So over here is where Sophie and I will cuddle. Riley, Andy, Johnny, Ethan.
Sick.
Yeah.
And our gear locker. And a pot.
Time to party.
Time for bed.
Good night.
Good night.
Good night. Good night.
Night.
Good night.
Party. When is the pillow fight starting?
Oh, you missed the pillow fight.
Right now. Pillow fight. I don't have a pillow.
There's actually a feather floating around.
Good morning. So we all slept really well last night, and so this morning we have pancakes on the menu with sausages as well. Let's get cooking.
Sophie made this real cute centerpiece over here.
Beautiful.
3 out of 10.
Thanks. How kind.
What?
Oh,
That's jam?
Berry
Berry
sauce.
sauce.
Sophie's famous berry sauce.
Yummy.
Okay, can you stop saying that? It's not my famous berry sauce. It's just berries in a pot.
No. It's Sophie's famous berry sauce.
Okay.
That time of the camping trip where we have completely exhausted our water sources, and now we gotta float out to the middle of the lake to grab some good water.
And I'm doing all the hard work
Yeah,
here.
it's 2023 equality. Land ho. Why do they say that? Sounds so weird. Lewis? 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 All right, good luck.
Hey.
Lewis, you a passenger princess too? Join the club.
Interesting.
This is our boat. Who needs a boat when you have
A raft.
Alright, and to be continued.
Sophie holds us all together. Oh, whoa. First people let go. You had one job. We made it out in 3 pieces and we came back as 1. Yeah, we're all 1 unit after. Good teamwork, everyone. We've worked up quite a bit of an appetite, so we're gonna go grab some lunch now. Luce, you're all dirty. There you go. So yeah, on today's menu we have sandwiches, nothing super fancy, but we have lettuce, cheese, breakfast, pancakes and sausages, triple variety of meat and pickles. Yeah, should be a good time. Everyone's got like such good smelling food. A little bit jealous, but I have no one to blame. except myself.
No, it's okay.
Sandwiches are good.
But everyone's got like barbecue something.
Okay, Riley, we still love you.
Thank you.
Riley's like a
Thank
school
you.
teacher.
Here you go, children.
Have a sausage too.
High quality Kirkland jambons. Jambons for your sandwichons. Cheers! Gorgeous.
Oh my gosh. It lives in like caves. That's
Small.
They can be stinky, and it holds hands, and it holds hands.
Hold hands.
And then they have
Yeah, it's
a
like
secret
a-
pocket where it holds this rock and it goes like.
Run, 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 run. Run, 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 run. Wow, what the heck? That was pathetic.
that was lame.
On this camping trip, we are also opening a salon. So I wanted a haircut really badly this week and decided the best time to do it is during our camping trip.
Since we brought the whole hair cutting kit and my dad made us a battery, it opens up so many opportunities. We actually brought our electric clippers and we're gonna be going new school, and this will go very quickly. All right, so who wants the first cut?
We should document like how short they actually want it on camera. So when we actually cut it and they get angry and are about to cry,
contract.
yeah, that they can't blame it on us.
I think where the top of my pocket is.
Ethan, how much you want off? All of it?
I'd say like here.
All right, Johnny, what do you want?
Just generally a bit shorter. Prefer the sides a bit shorter than the top end.
All right, I like how you're leaving it bag.
Yeah.
Room for air.
definitely. She knows what to do.
300 watt inverter. You got the clippers here. Works like a charm. Who wants the cape? You got multiple scissors, thinning scissors. You got a brush, everything here.
It's also missing a lot of teeth.
Yeah, don't worry, that's not necessary. How's the view out in your first nature haircut?
It's amazing. I like the fresh air, the wind,
You like the view?
comfy chair.
You're staring at each other. You can comment on each other's haircuts.
Yeah. Uh-oh.
Ethan over here patiently waiting for his turn. Ethan is stepping up to bat. First he must tie up his own hair.
The waiting customer.
All right, what do you think of your haircut?
It's a haircut.
It's a haircut. Is it up to spec? Did we pass?
I think so. I haven't really seen a full mirror yet, so I'll have to wait till tomorrow, but
Yeah,
I think it
don't
looks
worry.
good from what I've seen.
We'll
Ethan
see.
spent a lot of time on it, so
Yeah.
it must be good.
What about Andy?
Andy too, she did her
She
usual.
set the groundwork, yeah.
She did the groundwork, yeah. Ethan did the detailing, so we'll
Yeah.
see.
And my hair was recently cut, so I will not be getting any sort of fancy treatment today.
We could put like a little,
A little lightning bolt.
lightning bolt, yeah. That'd be
Perfect,
great, that'd be
yeah.
great.
All right, Ethan, let down those golden locks. It's time for them to be chopped off.
Chopped off.
What's going on back there? Anyways.
So this is the finished product. I love it. Thank you, Sophie. It feels very, very soft, and it's the length, the perfect length.
Nice. I did not force her to say that.
Noodle time.
On today's dinner, we're doing, I don't even know what you call this, but it'll be Indomie, it's like ramen, plus like a bunch of other like ingredients that are like added on top of it. And grandma's secret hot sauce.
Hot sauce, hot sauce. transition shot.
Idiots are looking for stupid rocks. Just kidding, these are pretty cool rocks. Can we go up front a little bit more where it's like
You're making me walk more than I need to. Why don't I just put my arm around your shoulder?
Don't touch my neck though, I'm tickling.
Okay, go. 1, 2, 3, go. All right, take me home.
Losing grip.
Don't worry, I got you guys.
Super light.
All right, go.
I'm just cupping your butt.
Let's go. Wow, we made all of 3 steps. Anyways, we have dishes to do. Let's go.
Inappropriate married couple.
Morning, we are all packed up and we are skipping breakfast because we're rebels. Thanks for joining us on this week's video, and thanks Johnny and Andy for your last time camping with us.
It was an honor.
Alright, goodbye forever, love. See you guys next time. Peace.